Summer may be winding down, but several stocks keep sizzling with cool catalysts like product launches, collaborations, and major investments to drive growth through 2026. For example, SEALSQ has announced the launch of its SEALQuantum.com lab incubator. This program is designed to support quantum technology startups with a $30 million investment capacity, aiming to help these startups develop market-ready quantum computing products. The incubator provides selected startups with technical collaboration with SEALSQ's post-quantum engineers, funding opportunities, and access to industry events. SEALSQ has already invested in startups like OPTT and Quantix and has acquired semiconductor design company ICALPS. The program focuses on the convergence of quantum computing, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence technologies. SEALSQ plans to present the next cohort of startups at its Quantum Corridor launch event in Davos in January 2026 and at the IQT Quantum Plus AI event in New York in October 2025. As part of its incubator activities, SEALSQ is collaborating with OPTT and XDigit on a 6-month project to develop solutions for improving semiconductor wafer yields at sub-7 nanometer nodes. This initiative addresses the challenge of yield losses exceeding 50% at these advanced manufacturing nodes due to increased wire resistance and quantum effects. Carlos Moreira, CEO and founder of SEALSQ, commented that quantum, cybersecurity, and AI are converging fast, and SEALQuantum.com lab is where that convergence becomes real. SEALSQ cites market forecasts projecting the quantum market could reach $97 billion globally by 2035, with quantum computing representing between $28 billion and $72 billion of that total. To get more of that market share, WiseKey is combining its WiseID People Identity Platform with its SealCoin Object Identity Platform into a unified decentralized identity framework. The combined platform incorporates WiseKey's newly developed quantum root key, utilizing post-quantum cryptographic algorithms to protect digital identities against future quantum computing threats. The integrated system leverages blockchain technologies and the Hedera Consensus Service to issue and manage verifiable credentials for both people and devices, while keeping private user data off-chain for enhanced privacy protection. New features include free identity validation via smartphone or computer camera and a digital document signing solution for PDFs. WiseKey reports its cryptographic root of trust, launched in 1999, is now embedded in over 7 billion devices, websites, and iOS systems worldwide. The unified platform aims to address vulnerabilities in centralized systems and give users control over their digital identities while providing secure authentication methods. Enterprises can deploy WiseID corporate accounts for centralized control over employee and customer identities. Beyond the SealCoin and WiseID combination, SEALSQ has completed the cryptographic toolbox validation for its QS7001 post-quantum hardware platform, a significant milestone for post-quantum cryptographic algorithms certification. SEAL also announced a strategic investment in WiseSat to expand its satellite constellation. Another partnership clearing the path to profitability is Ambilight's Electrochromic EC smart dimming side windows, which are going to be on the all-new NIO ES8 SUV. These electrochromic side windows are a cutting-edge automotive solution designed to adjust light transmittance intelligently, offering superior privacy protection, flexible brightness control, and thermal insulation, enhancing both comfort and the premium user experience in the vehicle. The technology can achieve a transmittance as low as 0.35% in its darkest state, providing effective privacy protection and solar control without compromising on transparency or visibility. In terms of protection, the EC side windows block up to 99.9% of ultraviolet rays and 97% of infrared rays. This significantly reduces heat buildup from solar radiation, helping maintain a comfortable cabin temperature and protecting skin health year-round. The system also features 4-zone independent control, 3-level transparency adjustment, and one-touch switching for a flexible and user-friendly lighting experience. Ambilight has advanced the maturity and reliability of its EC solutions, making them suitable for large-scale adoption by automakers. The company is uniquely positioned as the only one worldwide capable of mass-producing both EC sunroofs and EC side windows. Following this collaboration, JP Morgan upgraded NIO to overweight, citing that demand for NIO's new SUVs like the ES8 and upcoming events such as NIO Day and the Guangzhou Auto Show could boost sales and lift the stock. JP Morgan forecasts vehicle deliveries to rise by 50% in 2025 and 47% in 2026 as NIO expands its lineup across the NIO, Envo, and Firefly brands. Investors are focused on NIO's path to profitability, with the company guiding towards a potential turnaround in late 2025, though JP Morgan expects profits in the second half of 2026 if new models sell well and margins improve. Similarly, Ocean Power Technologies is accelerating its growth strategy, this time in the UAE, through an expanded partnership with Unique Group. Unique Group, a UAE-headquartered global subsea technologies and offshore engineering company, formalized a Master Services Agreement, MSA, that positions Unique Group as Ocean Power Technologies' execution partner for all non-defense WAM-V USV projects in the UAE. The expanded agreement is expected to enable Ocean Power Technologies to accelerate WAM-V deployments, convert interest into revenue, and scale recurring lease income in the UAE with minimal additional overhead. As part of the agreement, Unique Group will lease one Ocean Power Technologies WAM V22 unmanned surface vehicle immediately, with provisions for revenue sharing, purchase options, and joint expansion of regional fleet capacity. The partnership also includes plans for Ocean Power to establish a dedicated maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO hub in the UAE to support regional operations and enhance service responsiveness. Philippe Stratman, president and CEO of Ocean Power Technologies, commented that the expanded agreement reflects strong mutual confidence and a shared vision for bringing maritime autonomy to the forefront of operations in the Gulf. Together, they aim to unlock the potential of uncrewed surface vehicles to reduce operational risk, carbon emissions, and costs. Earlier, Ocean Power unveiled a major upgrade to its AI-capable MEROS Maritime Domain Awareness Solution, MDAS. The updated system enhances its role as an ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance node, enabling improved maritime domain awareness and autonomous collaboration across surface, subsurface, and aerial platforms. The enhanced MEROS system delivers faster performance, greater stability, and improved security, empowering operators to maintain a persistent watch in contested or remote environments. The system's expanded flexibility allows multiple users to monitor the same or different assets simultaneously. Additionally, new integration pathways make it easier to fuse third-party feeds such as global AIS, weather data, and advanced mapping tools. Philip Stratman stated that MEROS is evolving into the connective tissue of maritime operations. The upgrades allow it to function as a true ISR node, supporting autonomous platforms, streamlining decision-making, and strengthening awareness in complex maritime domains. The enhanced AI-capable MEROS MDAS can be deployed independently or paired with Ocean Power Technologies' Powerbuoy platforms and WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles to create persistent, autonomous monitoring networks tailored to mission requirements. As AI is set to send data center power demand soaring, OKLO has signed a memorandum of understanding with ABB and commissioned a digital monitoring room at its Santa Clara, California headquarters. The monitoring room, equipped with ABB technology, will serve as an operator training and simulation center for OKLO's Aurora powerhouses. The Aurora powerhouses are designed to rely on automation and safety features, allowing personnel to function as monitors rather than active operators during normal operations. This differs from traditional nuclear control rooms that require real-time operator actions. OKLO recently received acceptance from the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission for review of its Product-Based Operator Licensing Framework Topical Report. Jacob DeWitt, co-founder and CEO of OKLO, said this milestone reflects another important step towards deployment and deploying at scale, which can allow OKLO to become a prime contender to meet growing data center power demand with nuclear energy. Under the MOU, OKLO and ABB plan to explore collaboration opportunities including digitalization, automation, and electrification of future powerhouse sites, as well as joint research and development related to data center integration and advanced energy systems. Per Eric Holston, president of ABB's Energy Industries, commented that innovation and collaboration are essential for applying proven technology to strengthen the safe and efficient operation of advanced energy systems. OKLO is developing fast fission power plants and advancing nuclear fuel recycling technologies in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Energy and national laboratories. OKLO has been selected for 3 U.S. Department of Energy reactor pilot projects, highlighting its substantial total addressable market and profit potential. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.